Welcome back to Clear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change the default font size in Edge browser. So first you have to open the Edge browser. After opening the Edge browser on your PC, click on this one settings and more icon and here select settings option. Then select appearance in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down to the bottom and you will see option font size. Here by default you will see medium recommended. Medium size is selected by default. Clicking on this you can select very small, medium, large or very large according to your needs. After selecting any fonts you will see preview option here just below font size. If you are happy with new font size then good, otherwise click on this one customize fonts option. Here you can also adjust font size according to your needs. Just use the this one slider or this one slider to increase or decrease font size on your Edge browser. You can see the preview option here also. You can change this one font and after that just close the browser and reopen and you will see new font size has been appeared. Thanks for watching this video.